Welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 26th of November. And first of all, national news. Army begin an armed combat drill, armor at altitudes exceeding 14,000 feet. Judges fearless, only follow constitution, ex-Chief Justice. Assam tables bill to ban polygamy, proposed jail for offenders. Poll body to meet Trinamool delegation on Friday amid SIR protest. 14 lakh SIR forms identified as uncollectable so far in Bengal. Poll body. International news. Team Trump inches closer to launch gold card visa. Coast eligibility can be checked. Full confidence in security. Israel after Netanyahu's India visit default. Viola Ford Fletcher, oldest survivor of 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre, died at 111. Sports news. India to take on Pakistan in the T20 World Cup 2026 on February. Cristiano Ronaldo can play in 2026 World Cup opener as FIFA suspend ban. Venkatesh Prasad set to take over as Karnataka State Cricket Association president. News related to business. Gold climbed to rupees 1.28 lakh in retail market on wedding season demand. India's Russian oil import to hit 3-year low in December from multi-month highs. And that's all in news. Thank you.